Introduction to Smartphone Video Production. Are you interested in advertising your business, but are not sure what the most effective approach is, or even where to begin? Do you have a limited budget, or perhaps a limited amount of time you can devote to your business promotions? Most businesses have a website, but many are finding that it has become increasingly difficult to attract online traffic through traditional methods such as website content marketing and paid advertising. There has been a shift in visitor preferences recently. Many website visitors now prefer to consume podcast-style audio content and video content from social media platforms through their mobile video devices. Even search engines are showing their preference for video content through the fact that they allocate prime screen real estate on the front and secondary page search results to video content, and through the fact that they boost website rankings of sites which contain videos. So how does someone with limited time, budget, and resources use video to promote their business? No problem. A mobile phone is a complete media production machine that can be used to create outstanding professional videos for any purpose, and is very good for professional use as well. We will discuss how to use a smartphone to make great videos. We will cover the main concepts of planning, preparing the smartphone, lighting, audio recording, and sharing the video online. Why video? In the content marketing profession, the latest and most effective strategy has turned out to be video. If you ever take a look at the visitor analytics for a website, in the majority of cases you will notice that the type of technology which most people use to connect to the website is more often mobile rather than desktop or tablet. The reason for this is threefold. First, the mobile device or smartphone features a small screen, which makes reading long articles difficult. Second, many times people are moving around with their mobile in hand and can only listen to audio or watch a video, but cannot read text while they are in motion. And last, people have a bit of an addiction with their mobile phone, which means they check the phone very often throughout the day. Usually at any moment there is a slight pause in their daily routine. People consume videos in these breaks, and the videos are very effective at delivering complicated messages in an effortless manner and over a very short period of time. A large part of the audience is consuming video on a mobile device as part of their daily routine. This audience would much rather see a sales video on a product or service rather than to read a text-based presentation. A lot of visitors now use videos to make their determination as to whether they will buy a product or service from a company. This preference for video arose from the fact that there are simply too many text-based websites on the internet and the information can be overwhelming. But for the businesses that go above and beyond and use video effectively, this extra effort is rewarded. It has been found that a website page hosting a video can see about a 35% reduction in bounce rate. And in addition, conversion rates are higher for websites which host videos. Unfortunately, video has so far been a complicated and expensive thing to produce, and as a result, many businesses have chosen to stay away and not create online YouTube-style video pages. Why use a smartphone? Have you ever thought about using your phone to produce video as part of your business marketing strategy? The smartphone is a complete production studio, and because of this, it can be used to enhance basic websites with video such that the sites engage better with the clients. The extra engagement leads to the conversion of more clients. Unfortunately, a lot of individuals have no experience or practice with video productions, and as a result don't end up producing any video projects. This is a loss because of the high degree of relevancy that the video plays in today's online environment. The environment is filled with centers of traffic, such as video hosting platforms, social media platforms, and streaming film platforms. Perhaps one of the major reasons that individuals and businesses don't pursue video is because they believe it is difficult and expensive. Though that may have been the case a little while back, it is no longer the case. A few years ago, anyone wishing to pursue professional video would have needed advanced video equipment such as broadcast cameras, DSLRs, mixers, electrical generators, XLR microphones, studio lighting, jib arms, dollies, tracks, and other accessories. Nowadays, someone with a 4K smartphone, a $100 smartphone gimbal, and a small battery-powered LED light can make outstanding video works. Expensive equipment is no longer required to produce high-quality footage that is at the level required for many different kinds of businesses. In addition, in terms of the production software, it has become more user-friendly and intuitive. One can even edit an entire work on a smartphone without the need for advanced and professional video editing software on the computer. Overall, the production of professional-looking videos is quite simple these days.